Global Growth Guide is an online education company, and our signature course is called Start a US Business from Abroad. And when I say abroad, abroad from the US, hindi abroad from the Philippines. So for example, Filipino ka, pwede kang magkaroon ng negosyo sa Amerika kahit na hindi ka Amerikano at kahit wala ka doon. So we basically also provide registration services. So hindi lang namin ine-educate yung mga business owners kung paano magkaroon ng business sa Amerika from the Philippines. Kung halimbawa wala silang time or hindi sila confident na sila mismo yung mag-register, we provide the registration services for the business owners also. The biggest problem that we can solve with Global Growth Guide is actually the information. Tama yung information na matatanggap nyo sa amin. Kasi the problem with the internet these days is if you Google something, or maybe even if you use ChatGPT or Claude or whatever AI you're using, you'd be surprised that you can get 10 different answers for one question. And so nakakalito siya. Nakakalito siya for a lot of people. Yun yung sinasabi ko na when I started my own business, nag-register ako nito, hindi naman pala kailangan, tapos mali pala yung tinatawagan ko na number. Meron pala silang requirement na kailangan blue ball pen, pero merong particular na agency na kailangan black ball pen. So, alam mo yun, it's the little things here and there